Got a CSV file and want to get it into PostgreSQL? I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. PostgreSQL is a powerful database, and importing CSV files lets you add data quickly, even if you're new to this. Make sure your CSV file is ready. It should have columns separated by commas and a header row with column names. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Open your PostgreSQL tool. This could be pgAdmin or the command line. Before importing, you need a table in your database where the data will go. For example, if your CSV has names and emails, create a table with those columns. If your CSV is already in table format, you can import it directly. Run a quick query to see if your data imported successfully. You should see all your CSV rows in the table now. If you get errors, double-check your file path, table structure, and that the CSV headers match the table columns. And that's it. You've imported a CSV into PostgreSQL with no fuss. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.